Hey you, it's Kyla Lou, and welcome back or welcome to my channel. And okay, hello, I see your arms there. They're looking very toned today. Dang, you look so good. You guys saw the title of this video. You want to grow on TikTok, so let's jump right into it. And here are my 4 best tips to having people view your content and smash that follow button like there's no tomorrow. I'm so excited. Tip number 1, you are going to find a trending audio. And with that audio, you're going to ask a niche specific question and then provide a really short response. Now, we're all about practical application here on this channel. So an example of this would be,
I love you, but let me blow your mind. Shampoo cleans your hair, conditioner adds moisture to it. That's it. It doesn't grow your hair out any faster. I know some people are going to swoop in here like the monkeys from the Wizard of Oz, swearing that it works, but here's the thing. There's a reason none of the major hair brands have a hair growth shampoo. That reason is because it's a lie. If there was some magic shampoo that grew hair out, we would all be using it and it would be super easy. We wouldn't have to worry about damage. It's a lie.
Now you might be wondering, how do I find sounds or audios that are trending? That is a fabulous question, my friend. And I actually have an entire video here on my channel just for you. Yeah, you heard that right. Only for you, that you can go and check out after this video that breaks down the easiest ways to find TikTok trends early. But we don't want to stop there. Now, normally I would tell you before you go and post your video, in the caption, tell the viewers to take a look at the comments where you provide a more in-depth breakdown of what you were talking about in the video. But since TikTok took away pinned comments and you can now add much longer captions, I would just offer that info in the caption and also try and integrate some keywords in there. So if people are searching on TikTok what your video is about, your video pops up and has a greater chance of getting discovered. Isn't that awesome? Okay, now this next one, some of you might be a little bit confused about, but just stick with me, okay? Tip number 2 is comment on a few videos from accounts that have roughly 5 to 20,000 more followers than you, and that's daily. Why on earth do I recommend this? A couple of reasons. 1, it gets you in front of their audience. If you're hopping into the comment sections of other content creators who are making videos in the same topic that you also want to make videos on, you're gonna get a better sense of what questions people commonly have or what they engage with the most to help inspire some content ideas for yourself. Also, if it's a good comment, there is a chance it could be rated as the top comment for that video, which brings attention to you, obviously. And if people like it enough, they may be inclined to click on your profile and watch your content. You guys, I literally have the most perfect example for you. So I left a comment on a video posted 2 years ago in 2020. And so if I scroll down here, I'm in my activity, like my notifications for my profile, and you can see yesterday, 50 others have liked my comment. And this was on a video posted 2 years ago. If I get out of the comment section here, you can see it was 2020 on December 7th. So this video has a lot of different views, and I commented on this video saying, it's everyone for themselves. I was quoting the guy because his line in this video is so hilarious. And you can see this comment, so I have the top comment on this video. It has 444,000 hearts and likes, and 148 people have replied to my comment. So you can see, because it's the top comment and people hop into the comment section, people are seeing my profile right there. So it's bringing a lot of attention. And even to this day, again, this was yesterday, 50 people have liked the comment. So it's still bringing attention to my profile, even though I left that comment
2 years ago.
So literally, perfect example why this tip works. Now, I have a few recommendations when it comes to this tip. Number 1, please, for the love, be positive, okay? There is no reason that you need to take time out of your day to go and purposefully put another creator down. Like, there's just no need for that. So don't do that. Be positive. 2, try and add value if you can. If there's a topic that a creator is talking about and you can add some more information on that, by all means, go and do that. Add value to the content. And 3, don't comment promoting your account. 1, it's tacky, but 2, you wouldn't want other creators going into your comment section and doing that. So don't do it in theirs. Yes, the point of this tip is to bring attention to your account and your content, but that's by adding value and being positive and having people genuinely enjoy your comments instead of commenting, hey, make sure you go and follow me. No. Please don't do that. Tip number 3 is go live 1 hour after posting an informative video and encourage your live viewers to go and share that video with someone who they think it may help. Going live in general is a great way to grow and connect with your audience, but you can take that one step further by implementing this strategy. The more that you can encourage your live viewers to share that video, the more initial traffic it's going to get, and the algorithm is going to pick up on that. And tip number 4, avoid deleting videos as much as you can. TikTok has delayed exposure and can push a video out at different times to different audiences. So if your video doesn't perform well in the first few hours after you post, don't despair. The algorithm is a testing machine and is constantly trying to serve viewers content that will keep them on the platform longer. If a video doesn't perform well at first, TikTok will try to take that video and place it in front of other audiences to see if it gets a hit or not. And then, depending if the video gets any interest, TikTok will either continue to push it out to other groups of people, or it will shift its focus to other pieces of content. And another reason you want to avoid deleting your old videos is if new followers start binge watching your content, your old videos can get pushed out to them weeks or even months later. So there you guys go. Which of these 4 tips was your favorite? Please let me know down in the comment section. I love hearing from you guys. Anytime I get a notification and someone's commented, it just makes my day. So please do that. Let me know. If you guys find any value in this video, please consider liking and subscribing because it really does help support my channel so much as an aspiring YouTuber. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, that was like a little breakup moment. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching my content, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, dudes. 'Cause I've been living